Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Jason coming at you one more again. I'm sitting here at the lake here. It's where I come kind of collect my thoughts. I'll show you around. Yeah, that's where I come kind of collect my thoughts, sit, and it's wintertime, but anyway, I still come to the lake. Uh, Topic of today is I just got finished last night watching on the J Concept live feed from the CRC race. I watched the pre-recording uh, or they record it live, but I watched the playback, whatever you want to call it. Still new to this Facebook thing, but anyway, uh, watch that race, and you got to give it up to Dakota Finn. Uh, he just kind of man, he made everybody like, I don't know, from what I watched and what I saw, the results, not talking to anybody, anything like that, but just watching his car, the way it handled you got to ask these questions. Is he that good? Is the car that good? Or, yeah, I ain't gonna say the radio, because nobody at the privateer, well, I'm gonna get some heat on this, but at the privateer working man level, whatever, paying for it out of your own pocket, independent, you're running Sanwa Aerotronics or Fitava. I don't know anybody, maybe starting off they get a Spectrum radio. But everybody I know that has Spectrums, and these people bought out of their own pockets, not sponsored. You know, from top of the line to bottom of the line, they have problem with them. So I ain't gonna say radio, but you just gotta ask yourself, like his car out there on the track, his two-wheel drive, that Losi 5.0 out there on the track, looked glued to the track. His car just looked like it handled and landed and jumped better than anybody else's. I don't know how good Dakota Fan is with setups and stuff like that. But man, like and when you watch, if y'all go back and watch the video of his two-wheel, the clips they did show, it was his corner speed and how he, get in technical terms, like watch how he rounds the apex and watch how he gets on it. That's all I'm gonna say. Technical term apex. Watch how he rounds that and then immediately gets on it. His car track straight. He definitely put a statement out there, but where it's gonna really be a statement is here in a couple weeks at Reedy Race. If he wins the Reedy Race like he did at the CRC race up in Ohio, oh my gosh. TLR sales, that Losi 5.0 sale is gonna go through the roof. Yeah, y'all go back and check it out. That's just my 2 cents on it all. But I mean, like I said, on the flip side of that is nobody has the car yet. The top Losi drivers have the car. Yeah, just watch his corner speed and all that. Like, it was, I want to say A main 2 or something like that, or A main heat 2 or something. He had made a mistake, and Mayfield, I think it was Mayfield and Cavalier, caught up to him, and within a couple corners he had done pull back out, and it was like all about, that corner. But also his car looked like it jumped and landed better. They had a double and then a triple section. Well, the cars, everybody's cars look like they made the double, but when they landed, I wasn't there, so I don't know what kind of bumps or whatever they had on the triple takeoff, but it looked like it was throwing everybody's car kind of funky off of that, from what I seen. And his car didn't go off funky. Spencer's car, Mayfield's car, off that triple looked like it was either going like nose high, or they kind of had to whip the car back in shape. But not Finn's car. I'm ready for Old Man Billy and Paul Sinclair out of the X Factor. I'm ready for them to do their video of this race. Like I said, from what I saw was from Thomas Tran. He's J Concepts media guy, photographer, videographer. He's their man for that, and he did a phenomenal job with that. Thank you, Thomas, for filming that. But yeah, if this is a precursor for Reedy race, the rest of them teams better start doing their homework. In motocross, the precursor for outdoors, I always said in motocross, if I see how somebody performs at Daytona, Supercross, whatever, if I see how they perform at Daytona Supercross, I can kind of see how they're going to do in the outdoors in motocross. Daytona was like a precursor for the outdoors. That was just my opinion, my 2 cents, and usually I was right. Yeah, CRC, that was, man, like at one point he had 16 laps where everybody else was doing 15. I don't think anybody got to the 17 lap mark. I think Mayfield got to the 16. And they was also running slicks up there. So pretty much my experience and my 2 cents when it comes to slicks is I don't really think it matter your tire brand of what tire you're running. I think once they're down to a slick, I think it's all equal. That's just my 2 cents. I've had slick tires where I've had AKA tires and they done phenomenal. I've had where I've ran Proline tires slicks, they done phenomenal. I've had where I ran J Concept slicks, they done phenomenal. So I think when it came to tires up there, it all came down to slicks, but they were all equal, my opinion. Just when it comes to slicks, I know some of the J Concept guys run the octagons. I personally haven't ran octagons on a grippy surface, so I really can't say. But me personally, I've never ran octagons on a grippy surface. If it's super grippy, I'm running full-blown gooey ooey slicks. But anyway, guys, that was just my 2 cents, just what I think. Y'all comment, tell me what y'all think, what y'all saw. Does any of them the rest of the field have anything? Like I said, this Reedy race is going to be real interesting here in a couple weeks. I hope Thomas Tran goes there and films the whole thing. I hope somebody goes there and films the whole thing. But I hope Thomas Tran goes and films the whole thing. But anyway, guys, y'all take it easy. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever. Comment down below. And I'll talk to y'all guys later.